All right, so here we are at 5:21 p.m. Dimitri has waited for 24 plus hours and he can't wait any longer. He is now skiing down our driveway. We had 31 inches of snow reported earlier today, and we've had 3 to 4, and we're expecting 3 to 4 more. Oh dear God. It's absolutely the most snow I've ever seen at one time in my life, and it freaking won't stop. You can see it, it's coming. It's high tide. Kids have a fort over there. The drifts, I mean, you can see the snow is at least here 3 feet high, but check this out. This is a front walkway path. Absolutely crazy. It's just crazy. I just shoveled and now it's coming down again. I guess it's said it's high tide and it's supposed to do an inch or two an hour until 8 or 9, but it's absolutely insane. Crazy. I think Dee is skiing down Whispering Pines. And it just won't stop. So they just called school off. Oh, here he is. He's back. Oh, you have flashlights. Fabulous. There's an entire tunnel city over here. So they have made a series of walkways to get in. You can't even see the swings anymore.
And it comes around here.
I'm going to show you how to walk through this.
Yeah, so
you can go that way or that way.
So this is a huge circle. This is a boulder in the middle.
This is you can go around the swings, which are completely buried over here. Those were swings. Here's Aria. That's underneath.
We built trenches.
There's crazy trenches.
Mommy,
insane. Insane. I'll take another one when it finally stops, which will be some point tonight.
So I can get the sled, please?
Out of control crazy. Our lamppost. Our mailbox is totally buried up to the mail itself. Let's see. Coming down here. It's just the box. Dark. Dark. Walking in the dark. There's the mailbox. Sticking out right there. Snowbanks. Crazy, crazy.